Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making okra. It's one of my favorite childhood dishes, and in Mauritius we call it lalo. So let's get to it. For this video, I'll be using some onions, curry leaves, dried red chili, minced garlic, salt and pepper, and of course, diced okra. Just fry the okras for about 2 minutes. I'm using frozen okra for this video, and all you have to do is unfreeze it at room temperature and just put some napkins underneath just to catch all the water. And now add in some sliced onions. Some minced garlic. And about 4 curry leaves. The last 3 ingredients is salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili. This was such an easy and quick recipe to make, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to fry this up, including the onions and the spices. This is it. This is my version of the okra or the lalo, and I hope that you guys enjoy this as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Until next time.